Hey gang, RichyRefurbish here, where we make old things new and new things better. And we're continuing on with the rebuilding of my son's Stratocaster. And you notice in the last video, I had to go right in here and grind some material out right here so this big fat pickup could fit in there. So now what we're going to do first, we're going to get some zippy ties, zippy tie okay, and we're going to, we've got our wires folded up here. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. Got them folded up, trying to get those out of the way. So we're going to take one and we'll put it right around here. Just trying to keep those wires in that channel. Yeah, looking good right here in that channel right there. And we take our cutters and whack that off because we don't want that hanging out all over the place. There we go. Now take another one. I don't know whether to bring that over. I guess I could. That'd be nice. Get that. It'll keep that out of the way. So let's see here. Let's just put us another one right around here. We're gonna have to, squeeze them into the cavity anyway. But this helps keeping those wires out of the way. Try to put a little curvature in there. There we go. Oh yeah, that's looking good right there. Snap that off. Go ahead and put these in the garbage can. All right, now we got those out of the way. We've got this. I got a screw here too that I'm going to take out. We don't need it anymore because we're using the chassis ground on the bridge. So I'll take that screw out. That one was for all the grounds met right here. So anyways, we've got her grounded. Now we're going to take our pick guard and gently put it in. I'm gonna make sure those wires are going in the channel. Except for those. Yeah. We'll get them in there. Don't worry. Oh. Looking good right there now. Wait a minute. Just takes a little finessing. Let's get down here so I can see what's going on in there. Oh, let's see what's happening right here. There they are. Let's see what's going on. Just need to bring those back a little bit there. There we go. Maybe that'll do it. Yeah. That one's down. Well, let's see what's happening. I'm going to bring these back a little bit. There we go. Gotta miss that ledge. where those pickups go. Down inside there, where that pickup, we're gonna miss that ledge that I cut off. Let me take my little handy dandy screwdriver, if I can find that jewel. There it is. And we'll bring the pickup up a little bit. There we go. I'm hitting something. Don't know what I'm hitting though. Let's see if I got it. You know, I'll tell you what, I believe I see what's going on. Let me fold this baby out here just a hair, just a few minutes here. You know, that thing right there still has a little bit of that wood still on there. Let's get us a flat blade in there. Let's stick it down in there. Let's see. Didn't quite get all of that wood off of there. Let's get all this stuff out of here. Let's see. Try not to get a splinter. Don't want these pieces stuck around here. Gotta get all this out of there. But yeah, okay. Okay, wait. Close your eyes and blow. There we go. It's like you're for doctor. Are you with the doctors? All right. Let's see if we can get this puppy in there. Always line it up with the neck first. And let's just get in there. May have to get my headlight. I think I see another problem. How about that, huh? Let's get our little, where are they? There they are. It looks like my ground wire coming off that pickup may be grabbing me too. So let's just see if that did anything. Okay. Wait a second here.
Listen.